And for this video, I'm going to show you how you can drain the lymph node to your jaw, and that maybe will help your ear, your jaw, and your neck, and maybe your headache if you have a migraine. This muscle here is called Masseter. It's located right there. You can see that? That muscle, if it's contracted or too short, it will pull on your jaw. It could bad circulation to your lymphatic system and to your neck and to your ear. So I'm going to show you your lymph nodes located there, here and there. We're going to drain those lymph nodes, okay? What we're going to do, you're going to use your knuckle like this, and we go into the muscle, the masseter. If it's too short, we have to make it longer again. So we go in like this, and we pull in, go in deep, quite painful, and we twist it like that. By twisting it, it will be softer on a touch. Try the other side. Is it soft or painful on this side versus this side? If it's softer, you have managed to drain the tissue fluid and the lymphatic fluid from that muscle. The other thing you have to do, you go behind your jaw like this with your thumb, make a hook with this thumb, go behind like this, and I squeeze it like that, pull in, and I twist it like that. That way you will drain the lymph node located in this area, and the muscles get normal size, normal length. So go like this, open it up, and we have the third one. I'm going to show you again. This one, we have opened up this, and we have go behind the jaw, and all these lymph nodes go to the eye, go to the head. We're going to open them up. So here we go again. So we go deep here now, pulling, twisting like this, opening it up like that. Quite painful, but by draining that one, you will get better circulation. And check your masseter like this. And the third thing you can do, or the fourth, I'm lost count. You go in this lymph node, two big lymph nodes located in this area, open them up, and you will drain the circulation to your jaw, okay? Go in like this. I pull quite deep, go quite deep in, and I squeeze it like this. All right. That will drain the lymph node, and the lymph node gets smaller, and that will, if it's too big, it will give you a blockage to your nerves, to your lymphatic system, and to your veins, and can maybe give some headache, pressure to your head. So that was today's tip. Open up the masseter, drain the lymph nodes, and that will maybe take away your jaw pain, and the circulation to your ear, jaw, neck will get better. Thank you. I try to teach you to get pain-free. Make sure you subscribe if you want to learn more hacks, and put that on bell too, so you don't miss out on any tips I come with. Thank you. My name is Rune Aabø. I'm gonna teach you how to get pain-free.